Hi friends, this is Prasanna Kumar from Fertile Brains. Today I bring in a new poet. Her name is Sumana Priya Sikka. She has originally hails from Chandigarh but settled in Kulu, and she claims to be a young teacher of 76 years. She has passion for performing arts, teaching and writing, and she's very active. And now I'm going to read her poem entitled "The Only Visible God, Nature." Here it goes. Before that, I would request you all to kindly comment and like and subscribe and give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. The only visible God, nature. When nature hugs us in her heavenly embrace, life kickstarts, the soul is stirred, and there is contentment on the face. From the cycle of life and death to the awesome grandeur, one is always awestruck by the miracles of nature. The floral dress of spring and the snow-white wintry gown, the awesome figure hugging dress in rains and autumn dress of brown. In all seasons, she changes landscape like a perfect painter. Snow, icicles, droplets of water, rivulets, oceans are reflecting the Creator. The mountains, gorges, valleys, and the forest lush green. We really see God's shadow in every magnificent scene. The rainbow, flora, fauna, and splash of colors around. The vast sky mirrors the Creator. We are all spellbound. The words are not enough. There is only admiration. We revel in your glory. We revel in your creations. With moon-like face and stars-like eyes, nature looks divine, wearing the jewels of celestial bodies. It gives a dazzling shine. Let us live in harmony with visible God nature, because God dwells in every part of grandeur. Because God dwells in every part of grandeur. That is Sumana Priya Sikka for you. Friends, thank you for watching.